Envoy 3898, clear direct mail.
Back now, Envoy 3898.
We're 390 kilo, radar contact, 15 miles northwest of Adams Field. Adams altimeter 3009, say altitude.
09, we're out of 9,600.
90 kilo, that checks, so clear direct Fayetteville.
Direct Fayetteville, 390 kilo.
66 whiskey, altitude your discretion. Keep the squawk change to advisory frequency approved.
We'll keep the squawk, altitude at our discretion, and frequency change. Thanks for your help. 7466 Whiskey.
66 Whiskey, no problem. And before you go, there is a Bonanza currently 10 northeast of the field. They'll be inbound for North Little Rock as well.
Copy that. Watching for Bonanza, 66 Whiskey.
Envoy 30.
North Little Rock traffic, Cherokee 66 Whiskey is 4 miles to the east, and we're inbound for runway 23. We're going to cross midfield and enter the downwind. We're watching for Bonanza, 7466 Whiskey.
North Little Rock Station Air 7433 November, 8 miles northwest of 1,900 inbound for North Little Rock.
North Little Rock traffic, Cherokee 66 Whiskey is just east of the airfield at 2,500. We're going to cross midfield and get in the downwind for runway 23. We're watching for traffic that's inbound from the north. North Little Rock traffic.
North Little Rock traffic, Station Air 33 November. I'm still 2 miles west of Robinson, so I think I'll be behind you. North Little Rock traffic, Bonanza 68 Mike Papa is 5 miles northeast of North Little Rock. Planning to straight in 23, but I see traffic here, so I'm going to overfly the field 2,005 feet. You're going to right downwind for 23. Come back around.
Copy that, Bonanza. We'll be looking for you. We're descending now. We are at 1,800 and descending. This is 66 Whiskey, North Little Rock.
Appreciate that. Up at 2.5 and just make another right downwind and come in behind you. North Little Rock Station Air 7433 November. I am 1 mile west of Robinson Field, so 4 west of North Little Rock, 1,900. And not sure we're off head end yet, but I'm gonna enter a right downwind for 23. I'm watching you on the box here. I'm 3 miles east, level 2,400 feet.
And 66 Whiskey is crossing midfield now to 1,300. We're going to pretty much just do a loop around into the base for 23.
And I've got that one in sight, crossing the field right now. I'm well behind you. So I'm entering a right downwind 23, and I think I'm number 2. Mike Papa is 2,400 feet, a mile and a half east. I'll stay up here, showing a right downwind. I'm going to try to come in behind the system. Station Air 33 November. I am beam the numbers on the right downwind 23, and I've got the traffic on base to final insight. Number 2. 68 Mike Papa is right over the field, 2,400 feet, and I've got both traffic in sight. I'm going to come in behind the Cessna. Race is on.
This is Cherokee 66 Whiskey. We're turning final for 23, full stop, North Little Rock.
North Little Rock Station Air 33 November, turning a right base 23. 6-8 Mike Papa is 2,000 feet, joining the right base, 23, North Little Rock. I've got the Cessna in sight and the landing traffic, 6-8 Mike Papa. Well, spacing worked well, didn't it? That worked out real well, is right. North Rock, stationary 33 November is turning final. Runway 23, North Rock. Okay, Mike Papa, turning right base, North Little Rock, 23.
Cherokee 66 Whiskey is clear of runway 23, taxiing back to the ramp via Charlie. I appreciate you guys on the radio, that helps.
If I didn't know any better, I'd say 3 well-trained pilots. Sometimes I turn my radio off just so I won't be nervous. North Little Rock, Bonanza, Mike Papa, turning 1.5 miles final, 23, North Little Rock.
North Little Rock traffic, 66 Whiskey is crossing runway 3517 at Charlie, North Little Rock.
North Little Rock, 33 November is clear, 23.